Here we go again.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for St. Joseph County in north-central Indiana, northwestern Fulton County in north-central Indiana, eastern Pulaski County in northwestern Indiana, Stark County in northwestern Indiana, Marshall County in north-central Indiana, Lockport County in northwestern Indiana, western Cass County in southwestern Michigan, Berrien County in southwestern Michigan, until 1:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 12:30 a.m. At 12:26 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 11:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 13 miles northwest of New Buffalo to Winnipeg, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Bend, Mishawaka, Michigan City, Lockport, Niles, Benton Harbor, Plymouth, St. Joseph, Dowagiac, Bremen, Buchanan, Knox, Winnipeg, Trail Creek, Granger, Gullavoyer Park, Benton Heights, Fair Plain, Osceola, and Bridgman. This includes the following highways: Interstate 196 between mile markers 0 and 7. Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 42 and 86. Interstate 94 in Indiana between mile markers 36 and 45. Interstate 94 in Michigan between mile markers 0 and 42. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 2 a.m. for north central and northwestern.
I cut off! No!